Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here, and I just wanted to tell you all about my card kit using the Snowman Season Bundle. I have never done this before, but for just one more day, you can get a card kit sent to you in the mail with a $40 order using this host code right here. So I'm just going to flip over onto my other camera and kind of give you an overview of my card kit and the different ways that you can get it. All right. So the Snowman Season Bundle is in the holiday catalog, and it consists of this stamp set right here called the Snowman Season Stamp Set and the Snowman Builder Punch. If you buy them together as a bundle right here, it's $32.25, and you will need that to complete the kit. And in the past, I have shared with you cards and I've done videos, but I've never done a card kit before for my customers. So this is something that is completely new. So my card kit is right here, and I'm going to send you an acetate card box to put your cards in afterwards, so they make a nice little gift or just a nice way to store them. You'll also be getting 4 envelopes to put the cards in, and so here are the 4 cards, and I'm not going to show them to you because otherwise it wouldn't be a surprise. So those are the cards right there. The things that you're going to need to complete the cards are the Snowman Season Bundle. So you can either purchase them for me, or if you have them already, you can purchase something else. That's absolutely fine. All you need to do is to use that host code, and I will also post the host code down below in the description of this video so that you know what it is. And so you'll also need some adhesives, some Tombow, some mini glue dots, some tear and tape, and some dimensionals. You probably already have most of these types of adhesives at home. If you are a paper crafter, most people have some type of adhesives already at home, but I'm mentioning the ones that I use just so you know which ones I'll use. You'll need some ink pads. I use Coastal Cabana Real Red and Memento Tuxedo Black ink. If you only want to get one, I'd recommend getting the Memento Tuxedo Black. You could do all the stamping I believe in the black instead. I use the red and the Coastal Cabana just because it looks better with variety, but those are the inks that you would need. And then you also need some coloring tools. I use some Stampin' Blends. So this is the light Real Red, dark Pumpkin Pie, and the light Shaded Spruce. So those are the coloring tools I used, but you can use whatever coloring tools that you want. So now let me run down the options for you to get the kit. Option number 1 is a PDF and video only option. That's available immediately. It will be sent to you in the mail. I will post a link to my blog below if you are interested in any of these options. I spell it out really clearly on my blog. So the option 1 for the PDF and video only is $15. Option 2, if you are my team member, if you're already on my team, or if you want to become part of my team, option 2, for my team members, my PDFs are always free to them. So all you do is have to be a team member, and then you have access to those PDFs. Option number 3, and this is the one that I'm most excited about because I've never sent card kits in the mail to my customers before. So you just need to place a $40 order using that host code below. You have until Tuesday at midnight, and that's Tuesday, October 29th at midnight, to place your order. The host code is Y7STB7E4, and you can also find it down below. So you just need to place a $40 order to get the card kits, which will make these 4 cards right here. And you'll get the envelopes to go with them, and you'll be able to house them in an acetate card box. Actually, that was option number 4. I'm not reading things correctly. Option number 3, you can also get my PDF and video only if you place an order of at least $15 in my store. So there's 3 options to get the PDF and video. One is to pay for it outright for $15. Number 2 is it's free for my team members. And option number 3 is if you place just a smaller order in my store with that host code, if it's at least $15, you can get the PDF and video for free. But I would suggest going ahead and spending $40, and then you'll get the card kit in the mail. But you only have one more day to do that. If you want to know all the supplies that I used, you can also look on my blog. It lists, I use the Let It Snow paper and some ribbon and cardstock and dies. So all of those will be listed on the supplies on the second supply list. I broke it up into 2 supply lists to make it easy for you to know which ones you'd need just to complete the card kit and which supplies you would need if you were going to cut those cards yourself. The other cool thing that I did this time, I have the supply list in the PDF, plus on the last page I have a cutting guide that breaks down all the pieces that you'll need to make each card. So if you're going to make this as a class, you can just very easily print off that one page and take it to your cutter with your cardstock and just cut all the pieces that you'll need for those cards to create the class. This makes a great class as well. So if you're a demonstrator, you will love to make this as a class. And if you're my customer, you get the card kit. I know you're going to enjoy making those cards. And I have a video, and if you want to follow along and make those cards just along with me, that's basically what I do. I take those card kits and I make those cards, so you can sit there and make them with me at the same time. All right, guys, I am back over here. There's my host code up there on the screen. So you just have till October 29th at midnight if you want the card kits. I will keep the PDF and video option there for longer, but I have to close out the orders because I have to cut up for everyone who's ordered. I've already had a few orders, and I want to make sure that I'm able to get those card kits in the mail. They will be mailed out by November 5th. And I think if there's anything else that I need to tell you, I think that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would be happy to answer them. All right, guys, have a great evening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.